Hi everybody, here is a quick video to complete our notes on functions. So first, a definition. A function is a special type of relation in which each element of the domain is paired with exactly one element of the range. So every one input has one and only one output. One x value will have only one corresponding y value. So in order to determine if a relation is a function, what we have to do is look at our x values. So for number 13, we're going to look at -3, -1, 2, and 5. Now none of those x values are repeated, so there's no way to have multiple outputs for each one, so we can say that yes, number 13 is a function. If we look at number 4, however, if we look specifically here at this -9, we see that for x of -9, it has an output of -2, but it also has an output of 5. So there we have two values in the range that go to that one value from the domain, which means that no, number 14 is not a function. Again, for number 15, we're just going to look at the x values, -7, -5, -2, and 0. None of those are repeated, so we can't have any duplicate x values or domain values, so this will, yes, be a function, because for every x value, there is only one y value. If we're looking at a graph, the easiest way to determine if something is a function is to use the vertical line test. So hopefully this looks familiar to you guys. If we were to have a graph and we had a function on it, if we draw a vertical line anywhere in the graph, we should only have one intersection point with the function. If we only have one, then yes, this is a function. However, if we have something that looks like this, and we do our vertical line test, you're going to notice here that we have 2 points of intersection, which means that for that one x value, whatever that x is, we have 2 outputs, 2 y values. So this would not be a function. So here are some examples of that. All we need to do is draw our vertical line anywhere in the graph, and as long as we only end up with one output, we can say that these relations are functions. So number 16, I can draw one of those lines, one of those vertical lines anywhere. I only have one intersection point for each of those lines. So yes, number 16 is a function. If I do the same thing for number 17, however, just like in our example on the last one vertical line has 2 intersection points. So no, this is not a function. That one x value has 2 y values. For number 18, I can do the same thing. I can draw all these vertical lines, and each time they only intersect once. There is, in fact, a line that will cause that neither graph will touch. That's that asymptote we were talking about in class yesterday. So that is okay. There can be a vertical line that does not touch the graph at all or touch the function at all. We just can't have 2 intersection points for any one given line. So yes, number 18 will in fact be a function.